to Yoruba Kids Adventure. Today, we're going on a trip, learning about modes of transportation in Yoruba. Let's go, Asajio! This is a car. In Yoruba, we say,
Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́.
repeat after me.
Ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́.
In Yoruba, we call bus.
Ọkọ̀ akero.
Again,
Ọkọ̀ akero.
we call bicycle keke. Say it with me, keke. This is an airplane. In Yoruba, we call it
Ọkọ̀ òfurufú.
and
Ọkọ̀ ojú-irin.
is train. Wow! So, we traveled with different kinds of transportation in Yoruba. Amazing job! Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, friends. Odabo!